right now, as you are watching this video, millions of battles are being fought inside human bodies across the world. In hospitals, homes, and cancer centers, people are fighting a war against their own cells. But here is what is truly shocking: even an unborn child, still nestled in their mother's womb, is not safe from this enemy we call cancer. Every 5 minutes in our country, someone hears those devastating words: "You have cancer." Every hour, families are torn apart, dreams are challenged, and lives are forever changed. But knowledge is power, and today, we are arming you with that power. Welcome to NutriNuke, and today, we are taking you on a journey inside your body to understand the truth about cancer. What you learn in the next few minutes could save your life or the life of someone you love. Imagine your body as a bustling metropolitan city where trillions of tiny citizens called cells live and work together. Each cell has a specific job, like the millions of people in a city. But unlike a city, your body creates about 250 million new cells every single second. Think about that. In the time it took me to say this sentence, your body created more cells than there are people in Tokyo. Let me break this down with a fascinating comparison. Your skin cells are like the city's protective walls. Your blood cells are like the transportation system. Your muscle cells are like the construction workers. Your nerve cells are like the communication network. But here is where things get interesting. Just like any city needs rules to function, your cells follow strict protocols. 1. They grow when needed. 2. They divide to create new cells. 3. They die when it is their time. 4. They stay in their designated areas. This perfectly orchestrated dance of life happens constantly, guided by your DNA. Think of it as your body's master blueprint. Now, imagine if in our city, a group of citizens suddenly started breaking all the rules. They build without permits, ignore traffic signals, multiply uncontrollably, invade other neighborhoods. This is exactly what happens in cancer. But the story is even more complex. Your body has its own police force, the immune system. Usually, it catches and eliminates these rebel cells. But cancer cells are clever. They disguise themselves as normal cells, create their own blood supply, build protective barriers, send false signals to confuse the immune system. Let me show you something remarkable. What you are watching is actual footage of cells dividing. Normal cells do this in a controlled manner. But cancer cells? They are like a photocopier stuck on repeat, creating endless copies without any control. Cancer is not just one disease, it is over 200 different types of cellular rebellion. Let us understand the main categories. Carcinomas, most common type, 80% of cases, affect skin and organ linings. Examples: breast, lung, prostate cancer, spreads through lymph nodes. Sarcomas, affects connective tissues, develops in bones, muscles, fat, rarer but often more aggressive, common in younger people. Blood cancers, affects blood-forming tissues. 3 main types: leukemia, lymphoma, myeloma. No solid tumors, spreads through the bloodstream. These are not just medical terms, they are battles being fought right now in millions of bodies worldwide. Your body is incredibly wise. It sends signals when something's wrong. But these signals are not always dramatic. They whisper before they scream. Here are the crucial signs that should not be ignored. 1. Unexplained weight loss. What is normal? 2 to 3 pounds monthly fluctuation. What is concerning? 10 plus pounds without trying. Why it happens? Cancer cells steal nutrients. 2. Unusual bleeding. Where to watch? Mouth, nose, digestive tract. What is different? Bleeding without injury. When to worry? Recurring episodes. 3. Persistent pain. Duration, lasting more than 2 weeks. Does not follow normal patterns. Location, especially in bones or abdomen. 4. Skin changes, new moles, following the abscide rule. Color changes, especially sudden. Texture changes, new roughness or scaling. 5. Fever, pattern, recurring without infection. Duration, lasting more than 2 weeks. Time, often worse at night. 6. Fatigue. Type, not relieved by rest. Duration, lasting months. Impact, affects daily activities. 7. Changes in bodily functions. Digestion, new persistent problems. Urination, frequency or pain. Swallowing, new difficulties. The war against cancer has evolved dramatically. Today's weapons are more sophisticated than ever. Precision medicine, targeted therapies, immunotherapy, gene therapy, personalized treatment plans. But here is what is revolutionary. We are not just fighting cancer, we are prevent.